Hey guys, welcome to Extreme Vegan Cooking. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We got this company I found, the Protien Works from the UK. Amazing vegan products, an amazing product line. You got to check them out. We have it on our video, all the information, and up on the link now you can check them out. Okay, so it's a premix, simple. Read the instructions, mix it up, heat it up, and then we're going to show you how it's done. Let's get started. Guys, that was it. Last one. Flip it over. Now, while that's cooking, I like to put some peanut butter on my pancakes. Love to put some peanut butter on my pancakes. Peanut butter, some bananas, and voila. We'll be back with the things. Oh, those look good. Well, let's take it. Here. Thank you. Oh, look at that peanut butter. Creamy. Creamy peanut butter. Maple syrup. Let's see what we made here. Let's taste this baby. Wow, that's good. That's freaking good. Peace out. See you next time.